Alright, for our second display component, let's learn about the badge component. The badge component generates a small badge to the top right of its child element. Let's understand its usage with an example. Let's begin by creating a new file in the components folder, muibadge.tsx. Within the file, I'm going to create a new component. I'm also going to import the stack component and use it instead of the div tag. We're going to be adding a few different badges, so let's set spacing is equal to 2 and direction is equal to row. Now to add a badge, we import the badge component. Let's also import the mail icon that we can use as the child for the badge component. Now for the JSX, within the stack component, add the badge component. On this component, we can specify the badge content using the badge content prop. Let's set it to 5. Let's also specify a primary color for the badge using the color prop. For the child element, we include the mail icon. If we now include this component in app component, and take a look at the browser, you can see we have the mail icon, and top right, we have the badge displaying the number 5. Now this is a pretty common use case. When you have emails or notifications, it is common to display the number of messages or notifications as a badge on the appropriate icon. Let's make a copy of this badge and change color to secondary. You can now see a secondary colored badge. What you should note though is that if badge content is 0, the badge itself is not displayed. You can override this behavior by specifying the show 0 prop. Head back to the browser and we see 0. Let's make another copy of the first badge and change badge content to 100. If we now take a look at the browser, you can see the badge reads 99 plus. And this is because the default maximum value is 99. We can change that using the max prop. If we set max is equal to 999, the badge will display values till 999 and for larger value displays 999 plus. The final prop I want to showcase is the variant prop. Let's make a copy of the first badge yet again and replace badge content with variant is equal to dot. This can be used as a notification that something has changed without giving a count value. Head to the browser and you can see just that. If you want to hide this badge, you can use the invisible prop is equal to true and you can see the badge is not displayed. I have set invisible is equal to true in our case, but you would be assigning a value based on a prop or state or data from an API. For example, invisible is equal to unread emails dot length is equal to 0. Assume unread emails is an array fetched from an API. So these are some of the props you can use on a badge component. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.